Nike continues to prove that its iconic silhouettes are here to stay, and recent updates show there is no real reason for concern. While there has been talk about trimming back production on classic models like the Dunk and Air Force 1, the reality on shelves tells a different story. Colorways may see slight changes in quantity, but creativity has not slowed down. Recent seasons, including Spring 2026, highlight a clear shift toward thoughtful design details rather than plain releases. The Nike Air Force 1 Hydrogen Blue is a great example of this direction. The shoe keeps the clean white foundation that fans love, while introducing breathable mesh panels and a layered double swoosh for added texture and depth. Soft hydrogen blue accents bring a light and refreshing feel that fits perfectly with spring styling. Overall, this release shows how Nike continues to refresh a timeless design without losing its identity. Expect this pair to arrive on Nike.com and select retailers in spring 2026 at a standard retail price.